Hello, this is Dr. Bhojraj from the Spine Foundation in Spine Talk, and we are here in Anandpur, which is interior Madhya Pradesh, doing a rural spine surgery camp at the ashram or the trust hospital here. And I have with us a very important person who is actually in charge of this camp. He is Dr. Alok, and he has been with us for our training program with the Spine Foundation, and after spending 2 years in training, he has settled in Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal as a independent spine consultant, and it's been a big privilege to have him take over the first Madhya Pradesh initiative of the Spine Foundation. He works as a private spine consultant in Bhopal, attached to hospitals and also attached to the medical college. And I welcome Alok.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Can you tell about your journey?
So I have been with this foundation since 2018, and I was with sir for almost 3 years. All the basic spine surgeries and the basic of spine surgeries I got to learn with sir and all the mentors, because we have a very comprehensive program. Because with Dr. Nine, Dr. Raghu, Dr. Sheetal, we got to learn all the basics, and every other person has something new to tell us and new thing to learn. In those 3 years, I was quite a handful of things I have learned.
You're originally from Sagar,
Yes.
which is also in Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
And for a long time, you were trying very hard to get into the interiors of Madhya Pradesh because there is a lot of need. And finally, through the collaboration of the Sancheti Hospital and this ashram, we could find a place where Alok could join us and offer his services. Can you tell us about the convenience of you being in Bhopal and coming to Anandpur and how it would help mutually?
Okay. So as the sir told, that we have been trying for quite a lot of time to start some NGO or what we call our foundation work in MP. It was quite difficult because of the local public also was not ready to get involved and to get operated. But now we have Anandpur. Anandpur is a place something around 250 kilometers from Bhopal, and it's quite convenient by road. We can reach easily within 4 hours from Bhopal to Anandpur. And it is our first surgical camp, and we have started working straight away. And because this population deserves here, and they are in need of surgery and spine opinions, so it's quite a good place to start, and we'll do good work here.
What is important is in any new initiative or any Spine Foundation camp, we also need, or we always need actually, a very senior person to take care in case we go back and there is some emergency or there is some need. So Alok can come in a short time and save the situation. So unless that is possible, we do not normally undertake camps in distant areas because we don't want to operate and leave. So here we have the confidence and the support of Alok, who is going to eventually take over. And we are already planning the next camp very soon in early April. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.